The coalition of victims and survivors against state violence by this regime, from abductions to
in a bid to push for their justice. Abduction. And I'm a member.
Akija na sote tuko tayari. Wakija mbele yetu kanyaga. Kanyaga. Kanyaga.
Even just a day after promising that we are not going to interfere with your constitutionally guaranteed rights, why would you interfere with traders expressing their concerns and saying, yes, we have had instances where we needed to protect our businesses, but it has now gotten into our house. Now it is affecting us, and we also want to express ourselves. Or are these traders different from Gen Zs?
Since Ruto's administration came to power, human rights organizations have documented at least 536 cases of extrajudicial police killings, 111 cases of enforced disappearances and abductions. Separately, KNCHR has documented 661 arbitrary detention, abductions, and enforced disappearances in just the period of December 2024 to 2025 December.
If you now accept that these deaths were unjustified and that credible investigations are necessary, why did your government spend years denying, minimizing, evading, and politically managing these violations?
The government should immediately and forthwith free Macmillan Kiarie, Evans Otieno, Michael Olo, and Abdulaziz Zizu. We know you have them. You know where you have put them. It is now more than 90 days. These families are suffering. They are crying. We have moved the court in a habeas corpus application. The matter is proceeding. Please, Mr. Ruto, release these Kenyans.